This $1,200 just hit my Amazon account in exactly 7 days. While everyone else is failing with manual affiliate marketing, I'm using a secret Claude AI workflow to do 10 hours of work in 10 minutes. Watch how I set this up from scratch. First, start by opening Claude.ai. Once you're inside, click your profile icon and open Settings. On the left-hand menu, select Connectors. You'll notice Claude supports all kinds of integrations: Google Drive, Gmail, GitHub, and more. But for this setup, we only need one. Click Add Custom Connector. A small setup window will appear. For the connector name, enter Higgsfield. Next, grab the connector URL from the link I placed in the description, paste it into Claude, and click Add. Then hit Connect. Claude will ask you to sign in using your Higgsfield account. That takes about 10 seconds. Done. One more quick step before moving on. Click Configure. You'll see a setting labeled Needs Approval. Change that to Always Allow. This is important because it allows Claude to run tasks automatically in the background without asking for permission every time. And when you're building a side hustle, automation matters. Fewer interruptions means faster execution. Now the tools are connected. Let's talk about the income side. Here's where most beginners get stuck when starting an online side hustle. They waste days, sometimes even weeks, trying to decide what product to promote. They guess. They test random ideas. Nothing works quickly enough, and eventually they quit. But there's a smarter strategy. Instead of guessing what might work, you start with what's already proven to sell. Then build your content around that. This is where things get interesting. I use a custom research prompt that basically turns Claude into a high-level market analyst. I ask it to identify 5 product categories with huge earning potential right now. But it doesn't stop at a simple list. It breaks down exactly why each category works for short-form content, potential commissions, best performing content styles, hooks that are already converting, and whether the niche is beginner-friendly or already overcrowded. I'll leave this exact prompt in the description so you can use it too. Let's run it. Look at this. This is exactly why I let AI handle the research instead of wasting hours manually browsing online. Claude instantly gives us commission ranges, competition levels, content angles, and hooks already performing in the market. Technically, AI tools ranked highest. But for this example, I'm choosing health and wellness. And here's why it's ideal for a side hustle. Health and wellness content performs on every short-form platform. People watch this type of content daily. Transformations, routines, product reviews, before and afters. It naturally holds attention, which means more views, more clicks, and more passive income. And the monetization potential is huge. Supplements, fitness apps, wearables, wellness products. Most already have strong affiliate programs attached. So you're not just creating content, you're building recurring income. Health and wellness, locked in. But here's where most people make another mistake. Choosing the category is only step one. Now you need the right product. Not every product is content friendly. The best products are easy to show visually, easy to explain quickly, and already trending on platforms where people buy. If it doesn't look good in a 15-second clip, people won't click. So I run a second prompt. This one finds products with 3 things: a real affiliate program, strong visual appeal, and proven demand on TikTok and Pinterest. I'll put that prompt in the description too. Now look at this. 10 proven products, exact brands, commission percentages, and proven viral hooks. Red light therapy, up to $120 per sale. Collagen, creatine, but I'm choosing magnesium supplements. Look at the data. 30% commission, 9/5/10 viral score, and it solves a huge problem: poor sleep and anxiety. Claude even gave us the exact hook. That's our product. Magnesium. Now let's build the content. Normally, this is where things slow down. You'd spend hours filming, scripting, editing, and designing manually. Not anymore. First, I need one product image. Quick Google search for magnesium. First result, Amazon. Open the listing. Copy the product image. Then paste that image directly into Claude. Quick tip: sometimes AI tools can be inconsistent with uploaded images. If that happens, just copy the public image URL instead and paste that into Claude. It usually works perfectly. Then I copy the product details from Amazon and paste those too. The AI needs context so it understands what it's creating around. Now comes the prompt. First, I tell Claude to use the Higgsfield connector. That activates the video generation. But I don't want a generic AI commercial. I want something that feels organic, native, like real creator content, the kind of video people watch without realizing it's an ad. So I define the exact story: a 25-year-old woman holding the supplement bottle, looking exhausted. Cut to a flashback, tossing and turning in bed, scrolling on her phone late at night. Then she takes the capsules, goes to sleep, and wakes up fully refreshed. Next, I lock the settings: 9:16 vertical format, 15 seconds, and most importantly, Seendance 2.0. That's Higgsfield's newest video engine. If you've seen awkward-looking AI videos before, stiff faces, robotic movement, this fixes that. The facial expressions look real. The movement feels natural. That's the difference between content people trust and content they instantly scroll past. Now I hit generate. Watch this. No editing software, no switching tabs, no manual work. Claude talks directly to Higgsfield and creates the exact 15-second video inside the chat window. Let's see the result.
Guys, I've been having some trouble sleeping lately. I actually slept through the night.
Look how realistic that is. The product text is accurate. The movements feel natural. Nothing looks robotic. Even the voice sounds like a real TikTok creator. And here's what makes this scalable. If the video isn't perfect, you don't start over. You simply tweak the prompt or hit recreate. Claude instantly makes another version. Same product, completely different angle. And that's how this side hustle scales. More angles tested equals faster wins. Now, let's turn this into 100% passive income. For this example, we are hitting TikTok because TikTok rewards volume. With Claude and Higgsfield, you are no longer limited by time. One viral video can drive thousands of clicks to your Amazon or CPA link overnight while you sleep. Everything is done automatically. So from there, all you need to do is download the 9:16 vertical video from Higgsfield. Then from there, you upload it to TikTok and use Claude to generate your high-converting caption and trending hashtags. Connect your bio to your Amazon Associates or ClickBank account. The system is live. Let's go. The old way of spending hours scripting and manual editing is dying. You are now testing 10 products in the time it used to take to test one. This is how you find the winners and scale to $1,200 fast. We then repost the same content to Instagram Reels and Pinterest to maximize the free traffic. Now here's a pro tip most people never talk about. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons beginners fail with affiliate content on TikTok. You can create the best content in the world, but if TikTok shows it to the wrong audience, you won't make sales. And for affiliate marketing, the highest paying audience is the United States. That's where the biggest commissions are. That's where people buy the fastest. And that's where most of the money is. So if you want more clicks, more conversions, and higher affiliate payouts, you need your content reaching US viewers. That means you need a US-based TikTok account, not a local account, a real US setup. And when you upload your videos, TikTok needs to believe that your location is physically inside the United States. That's exactly why I use AdsPower together with NodeMaven residential proxies. Here's how it works. AdsPower creates a separate browser profile that looks like a completely new device. New browser fingerprint, new cookies, new environment. To TikTok, it looks like a real person using a fresh phone or laptop. Then I connect that profile to a NodeMaven residential proxy. This changes my IP address to a real US residential IP, meaning TikTok sees me as a real American user, not someone uploading from another country. And that matters, because once your location appears as US-based, your content is much more likely to get pushed to the US For You page, which means real US traffic, higher CPM audiences, and better affiliate conversions. That's the goal. More targeted traffic, better buyers, more sales. Now, why NodeMaven specifically? Because not all proxies are equal. A lot of cheap proxies get flagged. Some are data center IPs. TikTok detects those instantly. Some are slow and unstable. NodeMaven uses premium residential IPs, which means they're tied to real home internet networks. That makes them safer, more stable, and much harder for TikTok to detect. Exactly what you want when running a US TikTok account long term. Getting started is simple. Open the NodeMaven link in the description below. Create your account. Choose a US residential proxy. Copy the proxy credentials. Then open AdsPower. Create a new browser profile. Paste the proxy details and launch. That's it. Now your TikTok account runs like a real US account, smoothly and safely. No shadow bans, no wrong audience, just clean US traffic. And yes, I dropped the links for NodeMaven and AdsPower in the description below, so you can set this up exactly the same way. Now I want to know your strategy. If you were starting today, which platform would you focus on first? TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest? drop it in the comments below. And whichever platform gets the most votes, I'll make a full step-by-step strategy video for that one next. As usual, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more money-making tips. And before you leave, watch this next video right here because it shows the exact traffic strategy behind this entire workflow. See you there.